Hello everyone! I am here today sa booth ng Organic Nature in World Trade Center. Nandito kami hanggang Saturday from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. I hope you can join us kasi mamimigay ako ng gift vouchers para sa lahat ng tao magsa-sign up sa amin. Magagamit to sa webpage namin para kapag nag-check out kayo, may automatic 500 pesos discount. Siyempre, may kasamang freebie, yung sachet ng Inner Glow para matikman nyo yung beauty powder drink namin pagdating nyo sa bahay. And of course, ang aming ino-offer today since it's a food expo are our drinks. So we have the barley wheatgrass drink, we have our beauty powder drink, ito yung pampapayat, at ito naman yung pampaputi. And syempre, dun sa mga hindi naman mahilig mag-collagen drink, ay pwedeng-pwede pa rin kayo maka-taste test kasi may coffee kami dito, which is the 9-in-1 coffee and the mangosteen coffee. So, for this event, kung meron mga makagusto ng aking papatikim sa inyo, makaka-avail kayo ng buy 3, get 1 free, or kung isang piraso lang gusto nyo, pwede pa rin. You can avail of the 20% discount kasi napakarami naming products dun sa likod. Available for everyone. Pero, hindi lang yan ang ino-offer namin, hindi kami food lang ha. We also have some non-food products which are medyo makalat kasi ang daming bumili kanina. It's our first day pero medyo naubusan na kami ng stock. We will replenish again tomorrow. So we have our cosmetics, we have our personal care which is our face body wash, body lotion, face cream, soaps, our shampoo and conditioner. And syempre, kailangan mabango tayo lagi. May dalawa kami ng version. Meron kaming perfume and eau de perfume. So, drop by na kayo para makita nyo lahat ng products ng Organic Nature hanggang naka-sale pa today. Hanggang Saturday, by the way. See you all up to 7 p.m. on Saturday. Bye!